Every rock star has their groupies. But when the male superb Lye-Bird takes the stage, he gives new definition to the siren song. Like many birds, his voice is a prime way to woo the ladies.
Moving that cornflakes, Rice Krispie, all time my girl Whitney.
To lure the females in close enough to admire his pretty plumage, he has to sing his heart out.
The thing goes pop, 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 pop. Skitty keep pop, pop. And the poop poop boom. Skia. And the poop poop boom.
But this male doesn't just stop at bird calls. To really impress a potential mate, he breaks out the sampler. That was a camera shutter. And just to show off, he adds in the camera's motor drive.
Perfect.
Now he's practically one of the paparazzi.
Perfect.
The superb Lye-Bird can imitate nearly any sound he hears around him in the forest, though he rarely mimics man-made sounds in the wild.
Look at your nose. Nose long like garden hose. Shh. You get me?
Car alarm.
Shh. You get me? Garden hose.
And even a chainsaw felling trees.
On the road doing 10 toes. Lama toes. You man 4, I froze. I see a pen girl, then I pose. If she's not on it, I ghost.
Maybe you should
Look
stick
at
with
your
something
nose.
a little more
What?
romantic.